You've seen Nigeria's incredible diversity from floating villages to ancient cities. Now discover what makes this amazing country famous worldwide. Nigeria makes more movies than Hollywood. They call it Nollywood, and Nigerian children love watching these colourful stories about families and adventures that look just like their own neighbourhoods. But movies aren't the only thing. Let's talk about something delicious. There's the Great Jollof Rice Debate. Every Nigerian family has their own secret recipe for jollof rice. This amazing dish with rice cooked in rich tomato sauce and wonderful spices. They're so proud they'll tell you theirs is definitely the best in all of West Africa. The rice turns gorgeous orange-red and smells heavenly. Nigerian music makes people dance all over the planet. Their Afrobeat music has incredible rhythms that grab your feet and make them move by themselves. The drums make your whole body want to wiggle and dance. But here's something that'll amaze you. Deep in Nigeria's ancient rainforests lives one of the world's rarest animals. The Cross River gorilla is found nowhere else on Earth, except in Nigeria and neighbouring Cameroon. There are only about 300 of these gentle giants left. These incredible gorillas live in families just like people do. The grown-ups take care of the babies, teach them which fruits are safe to eat, and even build cosy sleeping nests in the trees every night. Baby gorillas love to play and tumble with their brothers and sisters. What I love most is how creative Nigerian children are. They make amazing toys from wire twisted into little cars, old tin cans transformed into rolling trucks, and plastic bags wrapped into bouncing footballs. They carve wooden toys and string beautiful bead necklaces. These handmade treasures become more precious than anything you could buy because every creation tells a story of clever thinking. Nigerian children are famous for their gorgeous traditional clothes. During festivals, you'll see fabrics with bright patterns, blues, greens, reds and golds swirling like rainbows. Children wear beautiful outfits that make them feel like princes and princesses. All these wonderful things, delicious food, dancing music, rare animals, beautiful clothes, and creativity that turns everyday materials into treasure, show the world that Nigeria is where imagination has no limits and every child has something brilliant to contribute.